This video tutorial I will explain how to send SMS using AWS SNS Topics in Java. In this diagram, you can see three participants: publishers, topic, and subscribers. We will write a Java program which will act as a publisher and it send a message to topic, and SMS subscriber will receive message from the topic. We will see how to do that. We will write the Java program to create an SNS topic, subscribes the phone number to the topic, then publish a message to the topic. Before run the code, you have to make sure your AWS credentials are configured properly in this particular file. Then update the AWS region, email or phone number in the Java code. And you have to make sure your phone number is added to the sandbox destination. We will see how to do that. Then you have to run the Java program. I have logged into AWS console. Search for SNS. Here you can see the mobile section. Click on text messaging. Here you can see sandbox destination phone numbers. I already added my phone number and I have already verified. This step is important, otherwise you won't receive the SMS message. To add new phone number, you have to click on this. Then here you have to provide your phone number. Then verification message language. Then click on add phone number. Then your phone number will get SMS message with the verification code. That verification code you have to enter here. Then click on verify phone number. We'll add the phone number to sandbox environment. You have to make sure AWS configurations are done in your system. Here you can see credentials and config. Here you can see the credential file. It has access key and secret key. And in configuration, region is mentioned. If you want to know how to configure AWS credential, please check the link in this video description. One more check you have to do, that is the AWS credentials belongs to particular user. You have to make sure the particular user has SNS publish permission. Here you can see I am using the user who has AWS SNS full access. If it is not there, when you run the program, it will throw an exception. If this policy is not there, using add permission, you can add the particular policy. Click on add permissions. Choose attach policies directly, and here you can search the permission and attach to the particular user. Here you can see AWS SNS demo project and its folder structure. Here you can see the pom.xml file, and here we have to include AWS SDK for SNS dependency. Here I have defined the class SNS example. Inside main method, I have defined the region, and here I am creating a SNS client object using AWS credential and the region. And here I am following three steps. First, I am creating a SNS topic, then subscribe phone number to the topic, then publish message to the SNS topic. We will see each step in detail. First, I am calling create SNS topic method, and I am passing SNS client object and the topic name. Inside this method, I am creating a create topic request object by passing the topic name. Then I am calling a create topic method of SNS client object and passing the create topic request object. This method will create the topic, and here we got the response object, and from the response object I am getting a topic ARN and returning that. Next step, I am calling subscribe to topic method, and I am passing SNS client object topic ARN which I got from the previous step, and protocol, which is SMS, then the endpoint, which is phone number. And inside this method, I am creating a subscribe request object by passing a topic ARN, protocol, and endpoint. Then I am calling a subscribe method of SNS client object and passing the subscribe request object. This method returns subscribe response, and from this response object, I am getting subscription ARN and printing that. Then next step, I am calling a publish to topic method and passing SNS client object, topic ARN, and the message. Inside this method, I am creating a publish request object by passing a topic ARN and the message. Then I am calling a publish method of SNS client object and passing publish request object. This method publish the message to the topic, and the phone number which is subscribed to the topic will receive the SMS message. And this method returns a response object which is a publish response object, and from that I am getting a message ID and printing that. Now I am going to run this program. Here we got the output. We will check in AWS console. Here you can see the topic got created. Click on subscription, and here you can see the phone number which is subscribed. Check your phone number and you might be received a SMS message from AWS SNS topic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.